It said it's evidence to support the claim that he could have been set up as a patsy.
So this is why I said earlier, so what? Because even if it's the case, this doesn't have an explanation for it yet. That doesn't actually give you any evidence in your corner for Tyler Robinson being a patsy.
Okay,
hang on. I didn't cut you off. Right? You would need to actually explain how this would demonstrate Tyler Robinson. This is tied into Robinson being a patsy. Are you claiming that these fingerprints were Lance Twiggs or that he had any DNA there?
No. Okay. So, and I don't think she addresses either one of them address this. That isn't the point. The point is to prove that there is reasonable doubt as to pinning this on Tyler Robinson. The point is not to then find a new suspect. That is the job of the state and the investigative bureaus. That is not the job of the court, actually. The point is that the investigation should not be over. It should not be concluded. And if this kind of stuff does not come out in discovery, that is a problem for the case. That is a problem for the prosecution. If you cannot prove that he was the shooter beyond a reasonable doubt, you should not be putting a man to death or behind bars. That is the point. Not to put the onus upon internet podcasters to do the job of the state investigative bodies that should have already done this job. But is woefully apparent to the public, to figures like Candace Owens, myself, and you, that it has not been adequately performed. Or if it has been adequately performed, the public has not been properly informed of that.